In the animal kingdom, survival is the name of the game. Creatures have developed all sorts of clever tricks to stay alive, but some animals have a defense mechanism so strange it seems like something out of a horror movie. They shoot blood at their attackers. Imagine a predator, teeth bared and ready to strike. Suddenly, it's met with a jet of blood. This surprising defense tactic is more than just shocking, it's highly effective. It gives the prey a chance to escape, while the confused predator is left covered in blood. This unusual defense mechanism is a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. It shows us that nature is full of surprises, and that even the strangest adaptations can be key to survival. Ejectable blood, while sounding quite gruesome, is a fascinating example of adaptation. It's a survival tactic used by a small but diverse group of animals. These animals release blood from their bodies, often with considerable force, to deter predators. This blood isn't just any blood. It often contains compounds that are irritating or toxic to predators. This makes the blood even more effective as a deterrent. Imagine getting a face full of foul-smelling, stinging blood. The predator, confused and disgusted, often backs off, giving the prey a chance to make a quick getaway. This clever use of a bodily fluid is a perfect example of how natural selection favors the most innovative survival strategies. Life in the wild is a constant struggle for survival. Animals face threats from predators looking for their next meal. To stay alive, animals have evolved a wide array of defense mechanisms. Some animals have physical defenses like sharp claws, tough hides, or camouflage. Others rely on speed and agility to outrun their attackers. Some animals even use poison to defend themselves. Then there are those who use more unusual tactics like playing dead or mimicking the sounds of predators. Ejectable blood falls into this category of unique and effective defense mechanisms. Though a small group, the animals that use ejectable blood as a defense come from different branches of the animal kingdom. They are not closely related, showing that this tactic evolved independently in response to similar environmental pressures. Perhaps the most famous example is the horned lizard of North America. When threatened, this lizard can squirt a jet of blood from its eyes with surprising accuracy. This blood contains a chemical that is irritating to canids like foxes and coyotes. Some insects, like certain species of grasshoppers, also use ejectable blood as a defense. These insects release a foul-smelling hemolymph, the insect equivalent of blood, to deter predators. Even some snakes, like the European grass snake, use a form of ejectable blood. When threatened, this snake will play dead and ooze blood from its mouth and nose, further deterring predators who don't like their meals pre-killed. Imagine a hot day in the Arizona desert. A young horned lizard is basking on a rock, soaking up the sun's warmth. Suddenly, a hungry coyote trots into view. The lizard sees the danger and freezes, hoping to blend in with the rocks. But the coyote has keen eyesight. It spots the lizard and starts to approach, licking its lips in anticipation. The lizard knows it has to act fast. With a sudden jerk of its head, the lizard squirts a jet of blood from its eye, aiming right at the coyote's face. The coyote, startled and disgusted by the foul-smelling blood, backs away in confusion. The lizard seizes the opportunity and darts into the safety of the rocks, leaving the bewildered coyote behind. The ability to eject blood as a defense mechanism is just one example of the incredible diversity and ingenuity of the natural world. It highlights the power of natural selection to favor traits that increase an animal's chances of survival, no matter how bizarre those traits may seem. These unique adaptations remind us that we still have much to learn about the natural world. They also underscore the importance of preserving biodiversity. By protecting the planet and its inhabitants, we protect the future of these fascinating adaptations and the endless wonders they hold. The animal kingdom is full of surprises, from the tiniest insects to the largest whales. Each species has its own unique way of surviving in the world, and there is always something new to discover. So the next time you're out in nature, keep your eyes peeled and your mind open. You never know what amazing adaptations you might encounter. Who knows what other strange and wonderful defenses are still out there, waiting to be discovered? The natural world is a book of wonders, and it's up to us to turn the pages and explore its secrets.